Okay. Some things in life are bad, they can really make you mad. Other things just make you swear and curse. Woo! When you're chewing on life's gristle, don't grumble, give a whistle. And this'll help things turn out for the best. And always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, then there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. La la la, la la. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle. The end. Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Well, life is quite absurd, and death's the final word. You must always place the curtain with a bow. Forget about your sins. Give the audience a grin. Enjoy it, it's your last chance anyhow. Always look on the bright side of death. Just before you draw your terminal breath. Well, life's a piece of spit. Whoop. When you look at it, life's a laughs and death's a joke, it's true.
It's true.
Yeah. You'll see it's all a show. Just keep them laughing as you go. Remember that the last laugh is on you. So always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life. Woo! Always look on the bright side of life. Always look on the bright side of life.
Well, there's that optimism.
Yeah, there you go.
Woo! Hey, excellent, excellent, excellent. Thank you so much.